I have a huge box here from Happy Planner. They sent me some products from their winter release. I'm very excited to see what's inside here. I have no idea what they sent to me. So let's open it together. So if you didn't know, Happy Planner did already launch their winter collection, and I just got this a little bit late. So if you wouldn't mind, if you have not ordered anything yet and you're interested in something, I would appreciate it if you would use my affiliate link, which is in the description box. It helps me to keep bringing you this content, and it also shows brands that you're clicking on my links, and that helps me out too. All right, let's see what is inside. I might have to move this off the desk because it's really big, but let's take a quick peek first. Ooh, look at all the goodies. Look at this really pretty pencil case. I have a whole bunch of pencil pouches, pen pouches, whatever you want to call them. This one is called accessory zip pouch. This has 2 pockets, which is really cool. Anyway, I have a whole collection of these, and I use them for a lot of things. Sometimes I even put like makeup in them or little toiletries or something. If I'm coloring in the living room and I have some markers that I want to bring in there, I'll put them in here and just be able to contain them. So this is really cute. It feels good too. We have some vinyl stickers here. I feel like I should move this off the desk, and actually, let's do that. So I'll show you everything in this video in detail except for the sticker books, and they will be a separate video. Okay, these are sassy. I'm sorry I'm late. I didn't want to come. Manifesting miracles. Hi, I don't care. Thanks. I can, but I probably won't. Expert overthinker. Why did these all apply to me? Except for this one. No, I actually do care. Okay, these 2 don't apply to me. Productive AF. Okay, all of these ones do not apply to me, but these ones do. Maybe this will be my next year one. We'll see. Anyway, these are really cute. I could see putting these on like my laptop or the front of a journal or a water bottle or something. This goes along with that same collection. So we have 3 journals in this pack, and they are dotted line paper. It says 40 sheets per journal. 6 inches by 8.5 inches. Wow, Happy Planner. Okay, so here they are. Very cute. We're gonna look inside. Yeah, they're dotted line. The paper is going to be nice, of course. Feels good. And yeah, back has Happy Planner on it. They feel good. They're like smooth covers. I feel like this should be my list journal. We'll see. Okay, we have this cute notepad. It says, I probably won't do. I actually don't use any curse words on my channel because there are kids that watch, and that is why. Because in real life, I would say that. But I love this striped effect. I think that is so cool, and it helps you distinguish between the lines. I really like that. And look at the side. It's like gilded purple. So cool. So I was hoping they would send me these. This is big fill paper, and it's the Cafe Coquette line, which I think is so cute. But look at these scalloped edges. Isn't that really cool? And it's different colors. Maybe we should open it. Uh-oh. Got smushed a little. This is so cute. I really like these pages. It says notes on it, which I wish it wouldn't say, but that's very minimal. It's okay. But look at the edging of it. That's really pretty. And these are the colors. Ooh, I love scalloped everything. Fun fact, my backsplash, my new backsplash is scallops. Yeah. How cute is that? I'm gonna love that Cafe Coquette sticker book. I know it. We also have some classic fill paper. This is Current Mood collection. And it looks like this. I'm not gonna open it, but it looks like that. Very cute. Classic, oh well, we have these, which are the bow discs for the Cafe Coquette collection. They are metal discs, pink, very cute. We have a classic planner accessory pack, important dates it says. Let's open this up and see what it's about. Okay, so we have this cute pocket folder that says celebrate, enjoy life every day, and a bookmark, little polka dots, one sticker sheet that has like little celebration stickers, really cute. I like that color palette. And a divider that says important dates, anniversaries, special occasions, celebrations, birthdays. Okay, so this is going to be a place where you jot these things down, and you can use this as like a separate section in your planner. So it looks like we have one page per month, and it's going to say the month on there. We have birthdays, anniversaries, celebrations, special occasions, and other. And then the back is dot grid, and it just says notes really small at the top. I love this color palette. I love the stripes there. And I think this is a great idea. It's going to help you keep all of your important dates organized. So in the back, we have more pages than the months. Yeah, we have a bunch of these dotted lined important dates pages. And of course, you can use these for other things too. I love that the lines are so like not in your face. They're just really gentle. That appeals to me. Okay, that is your accessory pack. They sent me a few planners. Let's check these out. This is the Current Mood Classic Vertical Layout. So yeah, all of the sassy stuff is the Current Mood collection. And it has this deluxe cover. And I love these ones that have like the couple of pockets here. This one says Productive AF. Don't forget, if you get this cover, there's a little plastic coating that you can take off here. It's gonna make it look a little cuter. We have the purple plastic discs. This is an undated planner because that's what you get in the winter collection. They always have undated planners, which are great because you can start them any time of the year. So you're gonna have your month labels here for the dividers. This daily disaster belongs to. I love it. I love it. This is very me. There's what your currently page looks like. Same thing as last year. Stuff I might do. Oh my gosh, this is very me. Yes, procrastination queen. Here's your monthly, and this is just the classic vertical layout and undated, so there's nothing on the pages except for this. Let's just look at the dividers. Best intentions. I'm sorry I can't. I don't want to. Story of my life. Very important. Expert overthinker. Manifesting miracles. Too tired for plans. Productive AF. So happy. I can, but I probably won't. Get stuff done. And we just have a curse word there. So this planner is if you're like just over it, you know what I mean? Just like, let me plan my stuff. I'm not happy about it. And I honestly am not that productive, but let's pretend I am. It's kind of like for your hot mess people like me. Very funny. We have a holiday planning notebook, and the Squad Girls are back this year, in case you didn't know. They brought them back. I love the Squad Girls. I think they're so adorable. Look at this cover. It is just so cute. I may have to switch from my Archer and Olive notebook I use for my Christmas planning to like something like this, because how cute is this? And look at these discs. They match the colors. Very sweet. So you do get a couple of sticker pages in the beginning of the notebook, which is nice. You have your box stickers here, your bullet points, and like to-do list strips, little flags there. And then here are the Squad Girls. There's some red foil on this page. So cute. Time to celebrate. Happy holidays. And then a whole bunch of these little snowflake circles. So this notebook is obviously made for your holiday planning. We have gifts and activities, events, and notes and to-dos. Holiday watch lists, movie list, show list, favorite quotes, holiday reading and activity lists, reading list, activity list. It says title, author, read, description, location, completed. Same thing here. Oh, and this one says favorite moments, My holiday wish list. List your top 10 wishes below. Maybe they'll come true. Cute. Things I am grateful for this holiday season. Another holiday wish list. Gift brainstorm. People to buy gifts for and gift ideas. 𝘮𝘬 over here. Another gift brainstorm page. Now we have gift list. For gift, where to buy, price, and then bought, wrapped. I use pages like this that I just make myself, but I tend to separate them into people. So I have like, you know, one page will be Allie and Liam, one page will be Heather and Chris, one page will be Kaylee and Aaron, like that kind of thing. And then a page for the grandkids. It just helps me to keep it organized and to kind of see how much I'm spending on each person. So I could see breaking this out into families. Yeah, that would work for me for sure. I usually have a part of my notebook that says wrapped, and I never remember to like fill it out. I never remember to check that off for some reason, because like I'm just wrapping in a frenzy at the end. Stocking stuffers. More stocking stuffers. Holiday card list. Let me know in the comments if you still send holiday cards. I hardly get any in the mail because I have moved so many times. So I don't think hardly anybody has my address. And I don't send them out anymore. I stopped sending them out probably once my kids were like in college. I think I stopped, and that's just because it was a big expense and also just another thing to do, right? But I think a lot of people have kind of gotten out of it, which is sort of sad. But anyway, it's the merriest season of all. Holiday party planner. Details, party theme, entertainment and games, music playlist, food and drink, invitations. Then we have a guest list here. Guest name, dietary needs, number, gosh, that's small. Number of plus ones, RSVP, yes, no. Things to prep in advance, the day before, the day of, and important notes. Budget and spending, shopping list, holiday party planner page again, same pages, and more of the same. And more of the same. So if you're having a bunch of holiday parties, of course you can use this from year to year. Merry and bright, how cute. Oh, these are cute, look at that. So these are note pages. I love the color of them. Oh, look, you get like, wait. So you get all of these. They have the little snow, making the little snowman over there. I love these like little snowflakes that are different colors. And then things to do. Cute. I like how they're categorized, and you can write in the category up there. Or you can just make it one big long list. Really like those pages. And then purple here, or like pinkish purple. That's so cute. Dot grid. You get a bunch of those. And then a bunch more lists. Oh, I really like this section in the back a lot. Yeah, so that is that. That's what the inside back cover looks like, and this is what the outside back cover looks like. That's really cute. I think that'll be super useful. Okay, New Year daily plans, fresh start. Oh, New Year fresh start, daily plans. This, I believe, is the Cafe Coquette big planner. Yep, we've got those scallops there, so cute. Believe in the power of your dreams. I don't know if this is vertical or horizontal or what. It is horizontal. We still have those check boxes on the side. And of course it's undated. And that's what it looks like. That's it. And then trust the timing of your life. Take life one cup at a time. Start a new page. Something beautiful is on the horizon. That's nice. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Make time to enjoy the simple things. We are each on our own path. Grow your own way. And we have that little scallop bow page there. And then we're going to have a note page in the back. It's lined, and then this is what the back cover looks like. Very cute. These are like clear, they're the sparkle discs. I don't know, do they call them sparkle discs? Glitter discs, I guess, right? Glitter discs. Very, very cute. Oh, I didn't see this. This was not there. I could have just seen it right here, but for some reason this was flipped over. Okay, let's check out the sticker books I got. By the way, thank you, Happy Planner, for sending me this cute stuff. I appreciate it. Okay, again, these are going to be in a separate flip through, but we have Cafe Coquette. Ooh, gift tags. Ooh, I like that. See the Good, Glowing Goals, Crafted Collage. I was looking forward to this one. Pastel Colorful Boxes. Ooh, Current Mood, and Manifestation. So if this sticker book flip through is not up yet, it will be, but check because I might have put both of these videos up at the same time. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments if you decide to purchase anything, or maybe you already did. And then let me know what you got. All right, have a good day, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye.